press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, welcome back to the English class. Previous class I was explained about My People poem. So rest of the poem I am going to continue in this class. That is you have to open on page number 123, 124. So in 124, in the previous class we come to know about the labor's work and goldsmith work, who make the clothes. They'll do hard work. Even though they'll do hard work, they didn't get a meal. They die from hunger, right? So we come to know about farmer's life and miseries. They'll come. They'll do, even though they'll do hard work, they'll come empty hand in their home. So they live in misery. And even though they'll rise the bungalows, but it is get into a heavy depths, right? So let's see, continue rest of the poem in this class. When they collapse on the street, they don't cry for help. They suppress their cries, my people. When they collapse, when they means when they collapse, they here, so they means my people, poor people. Here the Siddhalingaya poet explaining about the life, how they are suffering from one or the other problem in their life, poor people's life, their miseries, right? So here, when they collapse on the street, collapse means kusita. Who? My people. When they collapse on the street, if they collapse on the street, they don't cry for. They don't cry. They don't cry for it. Help. No one come to help them. To whom? To the poor people. Right? So they suppress their cries. Suppress means they hold back. They hold their cries. Cries means kugu. So their cries. No one listen those cries. That miseries. So dukkha. No one listening their cries. Understanding? So these all problem going to face my people. They are suffering. They are suffering from lot of problem, one or the other problem in our society. Understanding? So they are suffering. They suppress their cries. Suppress. What's the meaning of suppress? What's the meaning of suppress, dear children? Suppress means hold back. Hold back. They hold back their cries. So they don't open their thought in front of others. No one listen there. No one listen their cries. Why? Because they are poor. Right? So this is the problem facing my people. They pay interest through their noses. So they pay interest. They pay interest. It means buddy. So they pay interest when they'll take loan or take monies from a rich man. They used to pay the interest for that, right? They used to pay the interest. They come ash in the fire of fiery speeches. It means ಬೂದಿ ಆಗೋದು, ನೊಂದು ಬೂದಿ ಆಗೋದು. Who? My people. So overall, a poor people are so like become ash in their fire of fiery speeches. To whose fire of fiery speeches? To a riches. Understanding? They are suffering like this. Who? My people. For the God-loving men who ate their fill. So they prepare footwear, my people. So here, even though God, so here God love them. Actually, for poor people, God love them more, but who eat they feel. So here, they prepare footwear. Who prepare a footwear here? My people. Bootu mettu holiyoru. Who? My people. So these work also will do poor people. Understanding? So in the last stanza, they fall at others' feet and they get kicked. They fall at others' feet. My people, for the sake of help, for the sake of money, for the sake of work, whatever it will be, they fall others' feet. Others' feet means rich man's feet. They fall other feet, they go kicked. They means here rich people, they used to kick the poor people. They are so devoted. Who devoted here? Poor people, my people. Devoted means very loving or loyal. Devoted means loyal or very loving. Understanding? Collapse means fall down. So they suffered a lot. They fall at others' feet and they get kicked. They are so devoted, my people. Here, so devoted, so loving, so loyal, my people. Poor people are so devoted, so loyal, so faithful. Understanding, dear children? They listen to anything said to them. They listen. Poor people, they listen. So whatever someone told them, whatever someone, if they scold them, or may beat them, or may whatever they'll tell them, they used to listen simply. Say, they live in air. They live in air. Who live in air? My people. My people. So some people, they'll no shelter at all to live. There's no food. So these problem facing poor people in our society. So here the poet is explaining, Siddhalingaya is explaining in this poem all about the miseries of my people, all about the miseries of poor people in our society. So they'll do hard work. Even though they'll do hard work, they didn't get a meal. They die from hunger. Understanding? They die from hunger. They suffer a lot. They kicked. Right? They came home from empty hands. They collapse on the street and they pay interest. Right? So, these are the problems suffering poor people in our society. In this poem, Siddhalingaya explaining very beautifully. So, you can go through the poem. So, Kannada poem also here in the page number 128, Nanna Janagalu. You go through this poem, dear children. So, next, let's see. Glossary words also given here. Interest, the extra money that you pay when you borrow money. Pay through. So, very angry, excite, eat your feel. Eat as much as you want. Devote means use time for energy for a particular purpose. Okay. Let's see question and answers. Understand C1. Who are, listen dear children, who are referred to as they in the poem? Yes. If it refers to people who are working downtrodden. So my people, it is referring for poor people in this poem. Why do people sigh? Because their misery never ends. They are sigh because their misery never end. Who does the poet refer to as the God-loving men? People who are happy with their lot. It is also refers to the people of high caste. High caste. So this poem also related to the low caste and high caste, rich and poor. It is going to differentiate the people. Understand it? Differentiate the society. Differentiate the caste. Understanding? Rich and poor. Understanding, dear children? So all the in this poem, the Siddhalingaya poet explained like this about caste and their level. Okay. See, when do people get kicked? When these people fall to feet of other people for help, they get kicked in the sense they are neglected. Okay. When they want to someone help, it is someone means a rich caste help, rich man help. Poor people want someone help means they used to kick it. Understanding? So how does the poet feel for them? He is quite merciful and sympathetic towards them. Towards them means towards poor people. He cares for them. Who? Siddhalingaya. Where do you see people carrying stone for building sites? Nowadays, it is seen everywhere. It is common sight in the cities. Right? Yes. Next question. They wear cloth but they go naked. Why do they wear cloth? Why do they naked? It is one of their job. They are engaged in weaving to earn the money, right? So they wear silk and their product at my dress or my sarees. So they go naked with a little cloth. Okay. So here they go naked. Who is the speaker in this poem? Who is the talking here? The speaker in the poem is Siddhalingaya, poet himself. He is talking to all the people about the people who are downtrodden. It means poor people, uncared. Understanding? Why does the poet have sympathy towards the people? He has sympathy because he has understood their problems. He had understood their problems. Who? Siddhalingaya, poet understood their problems. What their problem are suffering they are facing in the society. Understanding? So here, suffer of this, he has seen the suffering of these people in every nook and corner. Every nook and corner, he saw their suffering. So that's why he are very concerned to them, sympathetic to them. Okay, understood, dear children? So, it is a pity to some people build the shops but get into heavy debts. How does this happen? Really, it is a pity that some people build the shops but goes into heavy debts. Yes, it is a pity one. They build the shops, bungalows, but it is into a heavy debts. This happens because of lack of encouragement and motivation. They are not supported in their enterprises. They are pushed back. So they fell prey to debt. Understanding? What do you think should be done to solve their miseries? What do you think, dear children, to solve their miseries, to solve their problems? What you will do? So the people who are suffering have to got enough strength to have they need our support and encouragement. We should recognize their potentiality and they should get social justice. They should be treated their qualities, love and respect. They should be uplifted. So what our duty? We have to encourage them. We have to love them. We have to care them. So then only they built their energy. We have to support them, dear children. So this type we have to solve their miseries. Understanding? So question and answer also completed. Here select and write the 5 most important words from this poem. Say why you choose those words. This is your duty, your word, dear children. You have to do this. Okay. Play the role of the poet and talk about the poem. So play the role of the poet. You have to play the role of the poet and you have to talk about the poem. Interview the poet. One of you can take the role of the poet and the other the interviewer. So you have to do this activity in your home with your parents or your siblings. Okay. I think you understood better this poem. So this poem also translated in Kannada in your textbook, page number 128. You have to go through this poem, dear children. Understood better. Try to understand better. So I will meet you in the next class taking a new topic. Until that, take care. Thank you.